right.
Ay, masaya, siyempre, boy. Kompleto na kami, may girl na, may boy pa. Tapos yung ate niya pa masaya. Yung ate niya yung number 1 na masaya. No, ate, see, there's a baby boy na.
Somehow we need to learn to let go. Somehow we need to heal these scars.
Masaya na may paparating na bagong baby. Tapos nung nalaman namin boy, mas masaya palalo. Kasi nga, yung nawala kasi ng pandemic yung first baby namin. Tapos, nagpunta kami dun sa puntod ng first baby namin. Naiiyak ako.
Okay lang.
Sabi ko, pag boy yun, alam kong bumalik siya sa akin.
Now there's joy in my soul. I feel it dance in my feet. This love, this love, this love. This love, this love, this love. There is hope in my eyes. I hear the music in me. This love, this love, this love. This love, this love, this love. I believe we can change our minds.
Ayun, okay naman, masaya. Madaming bisita, 2,000.
Yung mga very close friends ko lang
Ah.
and family.
Friends and family.
Kasi natapat na yung holiday.
Good
So,
Friday.
expected na konti lang yung bisita.
Let go. Somehow we need to heal these scars. When the burden feels too heavy, I can't lift this load alone. Sometimes we don't understand why, but we'll get through if we try. We can pick up the broken pieces and truly live our lives. Now there's joy in my soul. I feel it dance in my feet. This love, this love, this love. This love, this love, this love. There is hope in my eyes. I hear the music in me. This love, this love, this love. This love, this love, this love.
Ayun, anak, Jerry Zio. Lagi mo tatandaan na mahal ka ni mami at ni daddy. Pag nag-aaral ka mabuti, pakikinig ka sa mami at daddy, lalong sa mami mo, sa ate mo din, sa ate Zio mo. Kayong dalawa lang yung magtutulungan pagdating ng panahon. Mahalin niyo yung isa't isa, tulungan niyo yung isa't isa. Lalong-lalo na pag tatanda na yung mami at daddy. Yun, mahal na mahal kita. Mag-ingat ka lagi at magiging wise ka sa mga desisyon mo tungkol lang.
There is hope in my eyes. I hear the music in me. This love, this love, this love. This love.
Hi, Jerry Zio. Sana lumaki kang mabait na bata. Tapos paglaki niya ni Zia, kayong dalawa lang na magkapatid. Sana lumaki kayong close. Saka nagmamahalan. Kasi nandito lang si mami and daddy para supportahan lahat ng gusto nyo. At mag-work hard si mami at daddy para sa future ng dalawa ni Zia.
Yes.
I love you.
We love you, baby Zio.
This love.